Hello friends, welcome to a new tutorial on Metastock. I am your guide to help you use Metastock in a more efficient way. So in this particular video, we are going to learn how you can bring multiple stocks on a single chart. See, every stock has its peers. Suppose we want to look at a chart of a bank. Suppose we are looking at State Bank. We want to know whether State Bank is a good investment or not. But before we take a decision, we may want to know what other banks are doing. Is State Bank the best bank in its sector? Or some other bank like ICICI, Kotak, they are better than State Bank. So this particular decision we can take if we see multiple stocks together on a single chart. That decision can be taken more easily. At least some visual representation can be seen where we can decide whether State Bank is really good or not. So let us see how we can bring multiple stocks on a single chart to visually aid us in this decision. So let us open the chart of State Bank. So this is the chart of State Bank along with two moving averages, which is 50 and 13. Let us also open another chart from suppose private banking sector, say Kotak Bank. So this is the chart of Kotak Bank. Okay, and let us also open the chart of Bank Nifty. So this is the chart of Bank Nifty. So now we have opened three different stocks and they have opened with three different charts. Now we want to bring them all in a single chart, so that we can compare them visually. This is how we can do that. We simply copy the chart of State Bank. We right click on the candles like this and copy it and come to any other chart, which is suppose we want to bring the chart of data of State Bank onto the Bank Nifty, and we will simply right click and paste it here. It will ask whether we want to keep the scale same or we want a different scale. Definitely the values are different. The values of Bank Nifty is on the order of 35,000 and the value of State Bank is rupees around 470 per share. So the scale will definitely be different. So we plot on a different scale, and it is better to overlay without scale. So we overlay without scale. Yes. So now bank on the chart of Bank Nifty, State Bank has been plotted. But definitely this does not look very comfortable. So we make them line charts. So here we make them line charts. This is the chart of bank. This is the graph of Bank Nifty. We are putting the Bank Nifty in black and the chart of State Bank. This is State Bank in red and that also in line chart here and making it bolder. Here we go. So for sake of convenience, we are deleting the moving average here. Here. Okay, done. So this is how State Bank and Bank Nifty is looking. So let us also bring the chart of Kotak Bank onto this same thing and let us see how Kotak Bank is doing. Just copying and pasting it here and overlay without scale because scales will be different. So this is how Kotak Bank is doing. So let us turn this as well to line chart and thick and make it blue. So that's it. So looking simply at this chart, we can tell that okay, not all the banks are doing as good, but State Bank, which is depicted here in red, is a clear underperformer. So State Bank is not a share to buy as of now, because not only it is underperforming the Bank Nifty, it is placed below Bank Nifty, but any other stock like from private sector like Kotak Bank, which is depicted here in blue, is doing far better than State Bank. So this is one of the ways you can compare many stocks by bringing them on a same chart. You are not limited to any 2 or 3 stocks. You can do your analysis on multiple stocks. You can bring multiple charts together. The thing is that if you bring them on candlesticks or in bar, that will be a bit complicated to see. So your line chart will be simpler view. And this is a visual way of understanding. There is definitely some mathematical way of understanding. You can create a ratio chart, and that ratio chart will give you some mathematical answer, which stock in a particular sector is doing best or worse. So for that we will do little bit of coding, and that I will show you in our next video lesson. So that's it. I hope you liked this little lesson, and goodbye for now, and let us meet in our next video. Thank you.